When you come back from a walk with your dog, or you've been for a ride on your bike on the roads or muddy tracks, there's one thing you want to do, and that's clean your dog off and clean your bike off. You're either going to need a hose pipe on the site, or some campsites have a special dog washing point or a hose pipe where you can do that. But if you're off grid or somewhere where it doesn't have those facilities, then you're going to need a gadget or a solution to help you wash your bike or your dog. We've got one to show you here today, which you might like. This is the new Bosch Fontus. It's a battery-powered power cleaner, which you can use in your caravan or on site. It's got its own water tank, a battery, and a hose pipe and various gadgets to help you clean your bike, clean your dogs, or clean your caravan. The Bosch Fontus is about the size of a carry-on suitcase for an aeroplane. Down the side here, you've got a little water level indicator, and obviously you can see here that you can fill this with quite a lot of water for cleaning your caravan, your dog, or your bike. To fill it up, all you do is undo this red cap here, put your hose pipe or tap straight into there, and fill it up with water through this removable water filter. On the front here, you've got the nozzle where you attach your hose pipe, and at the top of the Fontus, you've got a little area here into which you store the brush for the Fontus and the end of the hose pipe for the pressure washing. On the top, you've got a power button here with a battery level indicator, and this red knob here is how you adjust the water pressure from low up to high. There are 3 settings. On the top here, you've got a handle with a notch here into which you can put the end of the hose pipe when you're not using it. And to lift the handle, all you do is press these red buttons together and lift. To attach the hose, all you do is push it onto the nozzle here and twist until it stops and clicks. On the back here, you've got a slot into which you insert your hose pipe. To turn it on, press the red button and you'll see the battery indicator will tell you how much battery power is left in it, and you'll hear a slight clunk as the Fontus pressurizes. On the back here, you've got the cover for the battery pack. Press the red button, move it down, press this red button, and you slide the battery out. When it's turned on, all you do is turn the nozzle to the desired spray effect you want and pull the trigger. You get a powerful jet like that, twist it around, and this is slightly more dispersed. Twist it again and you get a fine mist on the nozzle. When you turn the switch to full pressure, you get a much more powerful jet of water.
The brush clips onto the end of the nozzle so you can wash bigger areas. The Bosch Fontus is a handy device if you're off-grid and want to keep your caravan clean. It's a handy device for cleaning your caravan at home too if you haven't got access to a nearby hosepipe, or if you want to clean your caravan while it's away in storage. It's also great for cleaning bikes and cleaning your dogs or any other equipment you use when you go away on holiday. The Bosch Fontus costs $269.99, but we've found it cheaper online. Click the links below to find out some good deals we found online.